Imagine standing on the edge of a vast ocean where each wave represents a moment in time, endlessly flowing into one another. But pause for a moment and ask yourself, is this flow real, or is it merely a construct of our minds? Welcome to the intriguing world of time, a concept that has puzzled humanity for centuries. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel one of the most profound questions. Is time truly flowing, or is it just an illusion crafted by our brains? Time is something we all experience, yet it remains one of the greatest mysteries. From the ticking hands of a clock to the rhythmic pulse of our heartbeats, we are surrounded by markers of time's passage. But what if these are mere symbols, not of an actual flow, but of an illusion our brain creates to make sense of the universe? In this documentary, we will delve deep into the nature of time, exploring it through scientific, psychological, and philosophical lenses. We begin by questioning whether time is a tangible entity or a mere figment of human perception. Our investigation will journey through the corridors of the mind, examining how our brains perceive time and the role of neural clocks in shaping our temporal reality. We will also ponder the influence of psychology and physiology on our experience of time. How do emotions, memory, and even our physical state alter our perception of its passage? Moreover, we will explore philosophical perspectives that challenge conventional wisdom, including the block universe theory and Einstein's thoughts on the illusory nature of past, present, and future. As we navigate these complex ideas, we invite you to engage with your own perceptions. What is your experience of time? Can it be altered? By reflecting on these questions, we aim to deepen your understanding and perhaps even reshape your view on time itself. Join us as we embark on this captivating exploration, challenging what we know about time and inviting you to see beyond the clock's tick. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate dance of neurons and memories that shape our temporal world. In the intricate landscape of our mind lies an enigmatic marvel, the brain's ability to perceive time. It's a symphony conducted by our neural clocks, a trio of regions working in harmony. The basal ganglia, the cortex, and the cerebellum each play a distinct role in shaping how we experience the passage of time. Imagine them as timekeepers, each one ticking away to orchestrate our internal sense of timing. At the heart of this orchestration is the hippocampus, a crucial player in forming memories. As we navigate through life, this memory center stitches together moments into a coherent narrative. It's fascinating to think that our perception of time is intricately linked to how we remember the past. But what happens when the rhythm of these neural clocks is disrupted? Under certain conditions, our brain's perception of time can warp and stretch. Think about moments of intense focus or high adrenaline. Time seems to slow down, each second expanding. These phenomena are not just curiosities, they reveal the relativity of time perception. Our brain doesn't measure time with a constant tick-tock, but rather adapts its sense of time. Consider the feeling of waiting in line compared to enjoying a favorite hobby. The same clock ticks away in each scenario, yet our experience of those minutes can feel worlds apart. This adaptability highlights the subjective nature of time perception, a reminder that what we perceive is colored. As we explore these neural mechanisms, we uncover a deeper understanding of time, not as a mere flow. This exploration invites us to question, if our perception of time can be so easily influenced, is time itself as rigid as it seems? Or is it a flexible entity, molded by our consciousness? The answers may lie at the intersection of science and philosophy. As we delve further into this journey, we'll explore how psychological and physiological factors play their part. Next, we'll dive deeper into the forces that shape our sense of time. Have you ever wondered why some moments in life seem to drag on, while others fly by in the blink of an eye? Welcome to the fascinating world of time perception, a realm where the mind and body join forces to shape our experience of time. In this segment, we'll unravel the psychological and physiological factors that influence how we perceive time. Imagine you're waiting for an important phone call. Each minute feels like an eternity. This is where psychological factors come into play. Anxiety, anticipation, and emotional states can warp our sense of time. Our brain's emotional center, the amygdala, plays a crucial role in this process, amplifying our awareness of time during intense moments. But it doesn't stop there. our physiological state also molds our temporal experience. Consider the effect of body temperature or the heart's rhythm, factors that subtly adjust our internal clock. When you're in a state of flow, deeply engaged in an activity, time seems to slip away unnoticed. This phenomenon occurs because our brain prioritizes the task at hand, temporarily sidelining the ticking of time. The interplay between our psychological mindset and physiological state creates a unique tapestry of time perception for each individual. A thrilling moment might seem to last forever, while a mundane one is over in a flash. Understanding these influences opens up a new perspective on time. It suggests that time is not just a rigid framework we're bound to, but a flexible construct shaped by our minds and bodies. As we continue to explore the nature of time, we begin to see it as a subjective experience influenced by countless variables. So what does this mean for our understanding of time? It means that time perception isn't just a passive experience. It's an active process, constantly shaped by who we are and how we feel. In our next segment, we'll delve deeper into philosophical perspectives, examining whether time is truly real or just an illusion we cling to. Join us as we explore these profound questions and continue our journey through the intricate dance of time. Time, the great enigma that has puzzled philosophers and scientists alike for centuries. But what if time, as we perceive it, is merely an illusion? In this segment, we delve into the heart of this debate through the lens of the block universe theory, Einstein's revolutionary ideas, and the perplexing realm of quantum physics. The block universe theory presents a radical viewpoint. Time doesn't flow as a river, but rather all moments exist simultaneously in a four-dimensional block. Past, present, and future are not sequential but coexist. This challenges our everyday experience of time as a sequence of events. Albert Einstein's perspective further complicates our understanding. He once stated, "The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion." His theory of relativity transformed our conception of time and space, showing that time is woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. It's not an independent entity, but interconnected with space, influenced by gravity and velocity. As we explore deeper into the quantum realm, we find that time behaves in even more mysterious ways. At the quantum level, particles don't adhere to our classical understanding of time. They exist in states of superposition, where multiple potential outcomes are possible until observed. This suggests that time at the quantum level may not be as linear or predictable as we perceive it. These scientific insights invite us to reconsider our deeply ingrained perceptions of time. They provoke us to question, is time a mere construct of human consciousness? Are we perhaps trapped in a perception shaped by our brain's limitations? Yet while science provides intriguing theories, philosophy offers its own rich tapestry of thought. Philosophers have long pondered time's nature. Is it an objective reality or a subjective experience? Some argue that without consciousness to perceive it, time might not exist at all. This exploration leaves us with more questions than answers. But isn't that the beauty of such intellectual endeavors? They inspire us to think beyond the confines of our current understanding and imagine new possibilities. As we ponder these profound ideas, consider how they shape your own perception of time. Does your daily experience align with these theories, or do they challenge everything you thought you knew about the ticking clock? If you're intrigued by the block universe theory and wish to dive deeper into its complexities, click on the card in the upper right corner to explore our previous video dedicated to this fascinating topic. Next, we'll turn our focus to the conclusion of our journey, where we reflect on whether we can alter our perception of time itself. Join us as we consider if it's possible to reshape how we experience the relentless march of seconds and minutes. As we reach the end of our journey through the enigmatic realm of time, we are left with a tantalizing question. Can we truly reshape our perception of time? Throughout this exploration, we've uncovered how time, while seemingly constant, is a fluid concept influenced by the intricate workings of our brain and the profound insights of science and philosophy. Imagine, for a moment, if time could be bent or stretched, if our moments could be elongated or compressed at will. This possibility isn't just the stuff of science fiction. It is rooted in scientific inquiry and philosophical musings. Our brains, with their remarkable neural clocks, hold the power to perceive time differently under various conditions. Whether it's the rush of adrenaline altering our perception during moments of crisis, or the tranquil passage of time during serene meditation, our experience of time is inherently subjective. Reflecting on our understanding of time, we see that it is not merely a sequence of events, but a complex tapestry woven from our experiences, memories, and consciousness. The philosophical debates, from the block universe theory to Einstein's reflections on time's illusory nature, challenge us to reconsider our linear view. Perhaps, by embracing these perspectives, we can open ourselves to new ways of perceiving and interacting with time. As we ponder these possibilities, we are reminded that the manipulation of time perception may lie within our reach. Techniques like mindfulness and meditation have already shown promise in altering how we experience the passage of time. In conclusion, while time may remain an elusive mystery, our exploration reveals that our perception of it is malleable. We are not merely passive observers caught in its relentless flow, but active participants capable of altering our relationship with this most fundamental dimension. As you step back into your own life, consider how you perceive time and how you might reshape that perception to enrich your experience. After all, in the words of William James, the stream of consciousness is not a single river, but a tangled network of rivulets. The journey to understanding time may be never-ending, but it is one filled with endless possibilities.